Hello and welcome again. Today I am with my special guest. Hello, my friend.
Hi!
What do we have here today?
Today we have the MBot 2
And this is a
robot.
robot.
That's great. Yeah, this is a robot, right?
Yes.
Yes. And it's manufactured by Makebloc Education.
Education.
Yes, that's right. And just before starting or giving more information, I will just ask you please to click on the subscribe button.
And please subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe to this channel. This is something that is really important for us. And your subscription is encouraging us to do more videos and to improve ourselves. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you also for subscribing, and thank you for your comments and for sharing. So let's start, right?
Yes.
Yes.
This is a stem.
Yes, stem.
And this is a stem.
Stem or steam, because they have added a letter here. What's the letter that is added here?
The A.
That's right, the A, because before it was STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and now it's STEAM, science, technology, education. Engineering, and arts and mathematics. Yes. So this is the new version of the STEM, which is called STEAM. STEAM for now. I don't remember on which year they started calling it STEAM, but this is a robot that we have started building. It was a solar robot. It's not really as robotic as this MBot, because there is no programmation, there is no programming, and there is no.
This is not programming.
Yeah, this is not programmable. It's only solar operated, if we can call it. It's based on solar energy, and it's not the subject of today. Today we have the MBot, right? Yes, the MBot Neo. And the package contains not only the MBot, but also this stuff, which is the CyberP, as they call it. It's powered by CyberP because this CyberP was launched after the MBot first, I guess. Yes, and before you had to buy the MBot 1 and then buy the CyberP and then buy some other accessories. So maybe it was launched on the same time as MBot 1 or after it, but now it's packaged on the same pack. And this is quite interesting because it's a very important Kickstarter for kids to the robotic education, right?
Yes. This is the eyes.
Yeah.
This is the mouth. And
That's right.
Is the
nose. Yes. So, it's powered by CyberP, supporting AI and IoT applications. For those who doesn't know now what is AI, it's artificial intelligence, and IoT is Internet of Things. Easy step into computer science and technology learning. It's also compatible with MBuild modules and Makebloc structural parts. It has also a precision movement control. That's what they say.
Yes.
Yeah, but just pay attention. This is not for children that are below 3 years old, of course, and also it's shocking hazard, so small parts included. Not for children under 3 years old. Adult supervision is required when children are using the product. So this is an important notice, please, that you need to pay attention to. And here you see that this is powered by the CyberP, supporting AI and IoT applications. Easy step into computer science, that's what we said. and technology learning. It's compatible with inbuilt modules and Makebloc structural parts, and it has precise movement control. So it's the same stuff that is written here. This is information about the products, so product name, product model, and the address, and blah blah blah. So
And blah blah.
blah 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 blah. And now we are not here for the blah blah. We're here for opening this package and for watching with you and exploring what's inside. But before, just pay attention that this is a small package, but it's quite really compressed. I guess there is.
This is blue and this is blue.
Yes.
Yes.
So it's 18.5 centimeters or even 19 centimeters length. For the width, it's 22 and a half centimeters, and
23.
no, it's 22 and a half centimeters. It's not yet 23, you see, so it's 22.6 or 0.7, or so but if you start from here, it's not reaching the end of the 23, right, my friend?
Yes.
Yes. And here you see that it's for the height, it's 10 or 10.2 or 0.3 centimeters. So this is the dimensions of this package. And as you see here, it's sealed from this part here. So it's closed by a seal where you can read the name of the manufacturer, which is Makebloc. Now we will check the weight of this stuff. So it's not a heavy package. So this is our small stuff. So it's almost one. Yeah. So it's 1.1 kilograms, so 1,152 grams, and which is 40.65 O's. So this is the weight, 1,152 grams, so 1 kilograms and 152 grams. That's the weight of our robot in its package. And now it's the part that you like the most. It is the
Yes.
Yes, it's the opening. Yes, we will open the package. Now we will need a
No.
yeah, we will need
Not
nothing.
this.
We'll just open it like this. So go ahead, you can do it. Boom, boom, boom. That's great. So here you see this is the seal that was protecting our package. So you see that it's Makebloc. Yeah, it's Makebloc that is written here. And now you can open your beautiful package if you like. Oh, that's great. Oh, you see that here you see all the parts that are included. So you have here
The mouth.
yes, this is the mouth. So this is, you see here that we have the Cyber P, you have the MBot 2 shield, we have the ultrasonic sensor, the quad RGB sensor, the encoder master motor. This is the encoder motor. And what else? We have the chassis. This is the chassis, wheel hub, the slick tire, mini wheel, motor cable. This is the M4 by 8 millimeter screw. We have the M4 by 14 screws. We have the M4 by 25 millimeters. Yeah, M4 by 25 millimeters screw. We have the inbuilt cable, which is 20 centimeters length, and you have the inbuilt cable, which is 10 centimeters. We have two of these. And for the M2.5 by 12 millimeter screw, we have four. of four of these line following track map. So you have also a map, you know, a map that you put and it will be followed.
Makebloc.
Yes, this is the aim of the Makebloc, that's right. And we have also a USB cable and a screwdriver, so you might need nothing once you have this. You need only what's inside this box.
Yes.
Yeah, so you're ready to go with this box with everything that is already inside. And you see that you have for all the screws you have 6 by 6 by 6 screws. You have 6 6 6 all except for the 2.5 by 12 millimeters. You have only 4 screws. So this is important to know also, maybe. So if you need to know which are which, you refer to this table of contents somehow. And what else? So yeah, to access the user manual you need to download it from here, maybe. So we need an internet connection. You don't have user manual inside, so we have all these parts and no user manual. So that's,
and this is beautiful.
yeah, it is beautiful, except for the fact that we don't have user manual inside here. But as long as we will need to connect to the internet to have the IDE to use this, maybe that it's normal to go download or connect to the user manual from the internet. But let's not talk too fast. Maybe it's behind this. And what else? It's a Bluetooth connection with a computer might be affected by many factors, especially if the version of the computer Bluetooth is older than 4.0 LPM 6.x. So we strongly advise the use of the Bluetooth dongle developed by Makebloc Education. So this is some kind of advertisement to ask you to buy their Bluetooth dongle. This is quite interesting, right?
Yes.
Yes, because we don't need their Bluetooth dongle. It should be compatible with all the Bluetooth devices. That's
What's
my opinion.
Under?
So this is the Cyber P. You see, it's quite small, but this is quite powerful. You see here we have the connectors over here, right here, and so you can plug it, I guess, in your Makebloc robot here. So this is the connectors of the Cyber P, and now that I've seen this, I guess that it was developed on the same time as the other Makebloc 1. It's only the maybe the how we call it,
What's
the
under?
manufacture date, that's or maybe the commercial date, the commercialization date that is changed. And here you can also develop games with this stuff, I guess. So this have some information written in it, and you see that these are I guess that, yeah, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So yeah, these are the information about each port of this connector, right, my friend?
Yes.
Yeah, so I guess that you want to know what's below, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's open it and go ahead. You can need some help. That's okay. Oh, so this is the user manual. It's a quick start guide, so no need of internet to have the quick start guide. So here we have the quick start guide, how to use it quickly, how to start using the stuff. And you don't need connection to use it, I guess. So here are all the information that we need, right?
Yes.
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 And these are information about what are which each button is for what. So here you have the the power on and off, the S1, S2, S3 is for. So this S1, S2, S3 is for. The 4 and 5, there are multifunction ports and the servo ports. So this is the servo ports and this is the multifunction ports. So this is used for connection. and of course this is the Cyber P port. Number 2, this is inbuilt port. External battery port is here, so if you want to plug an external battery, and it has also a DC motor port, so it's here if you want to connect a DC plug, and encoder motor ports. Here you have the encoder. Also, what do we have else here? We have. Can you wait a little bit, my friend? I see that you are in a rush. You need to see everything. You want to open everything, and let's.
What's this?
I'll tell you what's this, but I guess that our friends know already what's this, because we've seen it in the parts. And here you see the Cyber P. You have all the information about the Cyber P, light sensor, microphone. Yeah, it has a microphone, you know, this stuff has a microphone, right? You see, it's quite interesting, right? We have the inbuilt port, button A, home button, USB port, type C. Oh, that's great. It has a USB-C port. So this is quite interesting. It should be here. Yes, it's quite new. Yeah, that's great. Here is the USB-C port. So it's right here, near the home button. And also, what do we have? You have the a joystick, RGB LED, gyroscope, accelerometer, button B, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, extension board port, and speaker. So it has a speaker. It might talk.
Oh,
You can even play music. You see? So here is the ultrasonic sensor. How to assemble it, or how it is assembled, and this is this is how to assemble your MBuild. All the information you need here. It's not very difficult, I guess, because it's quite clear, but just you need some dexterity in the hands to use this. You have to be a little bit agile, and so that's it, I guess, for all the instructions. Yeah, the final part is the wiring. Yeah, this is some wiring tips, how to wire the motors, and the last step is to read the user manual. So this is the last step of the quick start guide. The last step of the quick start guide is to go to the internet and read again the user manual. So assemble everything and then connect to the internet to read the user manual.
And
right?
What's this?
What's this? My friend, this is the line following track map. So this is a map. You see, here you see the black color. So it's not the user manual, but it's a map. You put your robot on it, and then it will follow it. So it will need some space because it's quite big. And let me just open a little bit here, so you see. You will see that this is it should stay white with the black, or you see here we have some colors. Maybe the sensor will detect the different colors and then stop or start, or do some acceleration. So this is some track. This is a track that the robot will follow. Okay. Okay, so here, this is the map, and here you'll find all the parts that we will need to assemble our robot. There is some parts here, and there is also some other parts here. They are not on the same shape, maybe, nor the same weight. They don't have the same shape nor the same weight. One is a little bit more heavy than the other, and there is nothing else. That's it. Everything is we have checked everything. Let's just check that this stuff is, you see that this one is a little bit heavier than the other. So this is wow. 247 grams, and the other one is 144 grams. So it's 146 grams. So there is a small difference. So this is 5.12 O's and
2 grams.
5.12 O's. Not this is not by grams. This is O's. See, here it is, 5.12, and the other one is 8.70 O's, which is 246 grams. So that's it. You see that it's there is not a lot of parts. There is not much to assemble, but yeah, there is quite much time just to explore this, and you need to pay a little bit attention to the wiring in order to avoid any issue or any short circuits with your robot. And here you see that this is the MBot 2.
MBot 2.
The MBot 2. And are you ready?
The M of MBot 2.
And it's written on the in the chassis.
And Makebloc.
Yes, this is for MBot and Makebloc. So MBot maybe is Makebloc Robot. And let's put the map here, the quick start guide, and here you have the after sales services and technical support, after sales services and technical support, and here you have your robot, and you see that this is one of the most important parts of the robot. You have this and this. Then
the music.
Yeah, you can do you can make music with it, but I guess you just need to record the music before playing it, and or maybe just develop some program which will play the music. Now what we need is just to begin. Yes. And start coding. You can code with Scratch or with Python. So this is
beautiful.
Yeah, it's really beautiful, and it's a new challenge that's waiting for you, my friend. You see here that you can do Scratch or Python. Both are some let's say Scratch is a robotic environment developed by the MIT for free and released for the public, and the Python is a language that is used for programming, and also it's mainly used for AI, artificial intelligence. Yes. And machine learning. And I guess that this is
War machine?
No, machine learning. This is not a war machine. This is a learning machine. We are really about peace and love, not war and fights. So this is a robot that is really interesting, quite small. So you see here all the circuits below it. MBot 2 starter shield V1 2. So this is it, and here you have all the ports and all the connectors. This is quite interesting. So you see here servo only, inbuild everything, blah blah blah. So that's great. S1, S2 on off. Yeah. Also this is it's switched off by default, so there is to avoid any mistake. And you have here the M1, M2, EM1 and EM2. Everything is already clearly specified here, and also with the in the quick start guide, so you have all the information you need here. Yeah, so all you need is just start building, coding, enjoying and playing, right?
Yes.
So I see that you are really motivated. I hope that you'll keep this motivation until the until the end, if there is any end. So this is just the beginning. And I hope also that you have enjoyed this video and enjoyed this unboxing. Tell me if you have already bought this robot, if you have already started, if you have any account in the Scratch environment. And you see that this is quite light. You see that it's 151 grams, 6.05 O's. And if you add the shield, so we haven't yet put the wheels nor nothing, so only the shield is 4.05 O's, which is 115 grams. And here the CyberPi, the CyberP or CyberPi, which is the most intelligent part, I guess, of this robot, is only 37 grams, which is 1.30 O's. So this is a concentration or a concentrate of technology here in this small part. I hope that you have a little bit of a clear idea. I hope that we have helped you develop an idea about what's inside and what to expect inside a package of the MBot 2, and that now you have a clear idea about where to go, what to buy if you want to buy an MBot 2. So you don't need to buy this this CyberPi because it's already included. It wasn't included in the MBot 1. In the MBot 2 it's included. That's perfect. That's great, right?
Yes!
Yes. So thank you very much for watching. Please click on the subscribe button and stay tuned with us for more and more videos that you will or will not, but I hope that you will like. If you don't like it, please tell us why. Please put your comments, your thoughts in the comment section, and tell us if you have any account, what you have already done with your MBot 2, if you can do some challenges all together. So send us comments and let's start discussion with all the users, with all subscribers, with all our friends. Thank you very much, and please
Click
subscribe. Thank you very much.
Subscribe.
Click subscribe.
Subscribe.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Click subscribe.
Click subscribe.
Click subscribe.
Salam.
Click subscribe.
Subscribe.
Click subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.